जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 52nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग ब्रह्मोपदेशम टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, you should be feeling that, oh, why did I waste so much of time? Why didn't I learn all these things so far?" You should be feeling that. About what? About yourself. You should be feeling that, why didn't I learn about myself? Why didn't I pay attention to myself? I have been craving for all the comforts and pleasures only for my body. I have never paid attention towards myself. You should be feeling that. When will you be able to feel that? When you have a stable knowledge, a clear knowledge about that you are different from your body. When that wisdom is very strong in yourself, you will feel that way. When will that wisdom gets strongly established in yourself? When you start performing all your actions without an attachment towards the results and with an even mind. If you start doing your actions like this, then the very clear knowledge about yourself will be established, and then you will start developing distaste towards the mundane things, impermanent things, and bodily, worldly related things. You will start developing taste towards Atma, Jnanam, and related things. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us a clear way to develop taste towards attaining our ultimate goal of life. While having this Bhagavad Upadesham running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yada te mohakalilam buddhihi vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam srotavyasya srutasya cha. Om. As an essence of the entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your actions as my service, keep doing namaskaram to me, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day, keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Gomata and Dharma Devata is having a conversation. Gomata saying that, O Dharma Devata, Sakshat Srimannarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and now he withdrew his avataram. O Dharma Devata, I am unable to bear the separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma. Kava Saheta Viraham Purushottamasya. Such great Purushottamas separation, who would be able to bear on this earth? O Dharma Devata, that Paramatma's Premavaloka, the beautiful looks, the affectionate looks, Ruchirasmita, joyful smile, A Madhuroktulu, A Nayanamulu, A Darahasamulu, A Dayarasambu. The kind words Krishna Paramatma spoke, the heartfelt conversation Krishna Paramatma does with all that kind of affectionate, heart-touching activities, all the girls in Yadava Kulam, the dynasty of Yadava, they all just were captivated by Krishna Paramatma. They cannot think any other thing other than Vasudeva. O Dharma Devata, such Sri Krishna Paramatma, with his touch, the time that I had touch of Krishna Paramatma's divine feet, Romotsavo mama yadangri vitankitayaha. With that divine touch of Krishna Paramatma's Sripadam on me, I used to get goosebumps. I always used to get so much of happiness. Now such Krishna Paramatma is not there on me. O Dharma Devata, which girl on this earth would be able to bear the separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma? Like that Gomata, feeling the pangs of separation of Krishna Paramatma and also expressing her pain to Dharma Devata. While Gomata and Dharma Devata having this conversation, Parikshinnama Rajarshihi Praptaha Prachim Saraswatim. The Rajarshi, King Parikshit, came to the banks of the river Saraswati. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Jayatu Jayatu Devo Devaki Nandanoyam. Jayatu Jayatu Krishna Vrishnivaamsa Pradipaha. Jayatu Jayatu Meghasyamalah Komalangaha. Jayatu Jayatu Prudhvi Bharanaso Mukundaha. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 52nd sloka. Yada te mohakalilam buddhihi vyatitarishyati tada gantasi nirvedam श्रोतव्यस्य श्रुतस्य च श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.